Hello my friends. In this short video I would like to show you some problem that came with my trailer. Small problem and a big problem and major or minor problem, whatever you call it. And you'll see step by step what I did, how could I fix it or I could not fix it. But yeah, special thanks to Forest River for your quality and craftsmanship. I will never buy from you guys again. My trailer is Palomino Puma XLE Light. I bought it from Town and Country RV Center in Ohio. It's a 22 FKC. And yeah, guys from Town Country RV Center, thank you guys. You never checked all small details and let it fly that trailer to customer. It's not very nice. Now it's raining and leaking in 3 spots. Under awning. One, two, and 3, all the way down there. Awning is leaking. Nice job, Forest River. Waterproof. Wow. It was leak under the hood, but I fixed that leak from outside. I remove that cover, I remove old cock, recock it, and now it's good. That's it. And another problem, small problem, it's a windows. First of all, look how loose, how windows loose. Second, when you close it, it doesn't matter what way you turn the lock, it's still not locking. Another problem, it's a lip leaking right there. It's a water valve, and look, it's loose. Why people doesn't do right job? So I fix it. No leak anymore. But I have to take these bolts and screws and nuts out. Take that valve out. Turn it. Tighten down. And then put together again. I don't know what's wrong with Forest River and with dealer. They never checked, I guess. And here's another design problem in toilet. When you sit in toilet, what's the reason they put paper holder right under your arm? What if some person bigger than me, they won't fit here? What the hell, what kind of design is this? What's the reason they put it here? It would be much better if they put it like 10 inches in the front, right there. So in this case I can put my arm down, or read newspaper, or play games in my phone, but Now it's just useless. I gotta fix it again. Thanks Forest River for nice design. Fix this problem. Now I have room. So what I did, I just flip 180 degrees and it's good to go. What wrong with Forest River? Why did you do this? Why you make this whole stuff harder? Another problem. Door won't close from inside. So I remove door slots and I will make this slots longer. So now it's much better, I guess. I don't have a file with me today, so drill does the work. Fix it. Fix it. This was a problem. This screw was screwed up, no threads, so I changed with different screw, make longer holes, so now it works, I guess. But I found another problem. Take a look. Molding. What wrong with you, Forest River? You can't do it right. So much problem I fixed. I would say like 20 of them. All those locks were misaligned. Didn't fit properly. So all screws were screwed up. Fix all. Thanks, Forest River. Another major problem in the shower. Here's a wall, but look, it's not secured, screw is loose, seal is broken. Will be fixed by myself. Remove all cock. Put one more screw. Put one more screw here. And now I can take a shower. And another problem. This clip, I believe, supposed to be right here. And it's not here. Oh well, I guess I have to fix it again. Fix it. Problem solved. And one more design defect. I guess I will call it defect. Why they installed that hanger holder so low? All close on the bottom of this shell. So they could like install higher, 10 inches higher, and it would be just perfect. I don't know Forest River who designed this stuff. And another small problem. Molding. I have to fix that molding too. Oh boy. Another day, another problem. What wrong with forest river? I can't open this lock anymore. It's not working. Oh my goodness. Everything needs to be fixed in this trailer. Brand new. Thanks Forest River for your quality, your craftsmanship. Here's more unpleasant problem. Small problem but very unpleasant. It's supposed to be glued by the wall. So what's wrong with you guys? Forest River. Just use more glue. Why do I have to do everything for you guys? I paid my money and I do my job at my work, not to be fired. So why you guys? And recently I noticed that my hub getting hot. So I decided to remove dust cap and look what inside, and take a look. It's rust. What the hell, now I have to take wheel off, brakes, everything off, and investigate my bearings and repack it with new grease. So I took a nut off. Nut looks like okay, washer looks like okay, and inside looks like okay, no damage done. It feels like water got just in the cap and it needs to be clean, or maybe it was lying in the factory for a long time, got rust. But anyway, I'm going to clean it, add more grease. I'm going to remove old grease and put new one. So further investigation shows me that that rubber seal wasn't installed properly. You can see it's right there where the water was leak. Oops. So I'm going to clean it and install it back. This will be as brand new. So again, quality of Forest River, just awesome. Thanks guys. I replaced with new grease, marine grease, premium quality, and what looks like a kind of sandwich, I push it out. It's not rust, it's just red grease, but I don't want a sandwich. I just push all this grease, but it wasn't a lot. It just minimum they put in there. Anyway, no damage done so far, and it should be good for probably next season. Now I want to make sure my seal is sealed, my rubber seal, so all good. All done with this one. And I just find out I have another problem. My pump sometimes starts to work, but I don't use any facets. And what I found it's water is dripping. You can see wet spot. So I assume it's from the wall, inside the wall, some bad connection. Because if you look under, there no access to it. So it's only have access from inside the wall, so it's a serious problem. and I cannot fix it. I will wait till end of season and take it back to dealer and let them fix it. So thank you for a streamer. Good job. And special thanks person who checked my or inspect my trailer. His number or her number 17886. Awesome quality, good craftsmanship. Good job, guys. Keep doing it.